and animating everyone, especially in the area of formation.
He stimulates, he excites, he enthralls.
The spirit, and the spirit is filled with passion.
Your passion is infectious.
And he makes things grow.
Never pa nakalimutan yan eh, habang lumipit. We're always on the go.
You're a gift to the Ateneo High School community because of your wit, your laughter.
Kahit na ang dami namin ginagawa, you will make it a point that we will work joyfully.
So it's not all work.
Father J. Boy, party lagi.
Mag-iyan lumabas, magkape.
It's an understanding that we are friends, but we're in this together in mission.
Lalo na kapag mga after office, pag medyo stress na.
So, ayaw na stress.
When he has a project or when he wants especially students to be more participative in Mass.
Your ability to make the masses so relatable.
Thank you for Mass, for being energetic in Mass.
Pag nandyan siya, yung solar plexus mo mapupuno ng energy. Father J-Boy is equal to energy.
Kasi Father J. Boy epitomized that which is really so beautiful about teaching in a Jesuit school.
You showed me what it truly means to have Cura Personalis.
Ang Shakespeare nga, sabi niya, dapat masaya lagi. Ginagawa lahat sa Shakespeare, hindi na nagdadasal. Hindi na nagpupunas ng sana.
Showbiz na showbiz talaga. It's like you're directing a big program dun sa area ng formation.
Father J. Boy, I'm definitely grateful for his music.
Music.
He's an absolute source of life and energy, and he's able to carry this to the Eucharistic celebrations. If you catch him playing the piano, he's a beast. He's a beast. So thank you.
Honestly, nadidistract ako sa mga masses na hindi masyadong maganda ang music. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ako na with Father J-Boy, he always makes sure that there's good and excellent music in our masses here.
I also like your transparency, your humanity.
You know, you're the defender of the weak and you always defend me.
I remember that time when I accidentally cut my thumb and I was bleeding and I was yelling and you rescued me. You brought me to the clinic. We could have left you with the guard, but dinala mo talaga ako doon. You stayed with me until you were sure that I was alright.
And like kanina when you were saying the Mass, I don't know why you cried toward the final blessing. And later on, I was asking Cyrus, what's wrong? What happened to Father J-Boy? Sabi ni Cyrus, wala yun, ganun talaga yun. Kaya I was thinking, parang it's so hard for people in your position to show emotion, but in your case, you're just being true to yourself.
Father J-Boy, thank you for the warmest welcome I've ever had dito sa Ateneo High School Campus Ministry Office. Salamat rin sa thought-provoking homilies mo, sa thought-provoking words mo, sa thought-provoking thoughts mo. Ngayon, talo yata mapaplasta yung pagiging sugo ng Diyos niya dahil sa final vows na ito. It really helps us, kami mga Pinovistas dito sa RSU, it really helps us to discern our vocation further, and at the same time, yung welcoming atmosphere na pinapakita, na binibigay mo sa amin, ito yung nagpapakita sa amin kung paano ang maging isang Jesuita. Isang Jesuita na punong-puno ng joy, punong-puno ng saya, ng ligaya, habang naglilingkod sa Panginoon.
So what am I most grateful for? It's the friendship that goes a long, long way. Okay? In fact, nung una niya akong nakita, somewhere in the embassy, yakap siya, sabi ko, ito mga kaibigan ko to.
There's nothing about Father J. I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for Father J. himself.
Continue being the life of the high school.
Thank you for being such an inspiration to us na kahit kundi lang yung pupunta sa Mass sa Costa Chapel, you're still there for us. You're still encouraging us to hear Mass.
I hope that you will truly be blessed 100-fold by what you are doing, and I hope